Hey, what's up, guys? It's Movie Or here, back for Blu-ray 4K Thursday. Today's next unboxing will be for another family film. About ducks. And that is for Migration on Blu-ray. Includes 3 all-new mini-movies. This is the collector's edition. And it's Blu-ray plus DVD plus digital HD. And it's embossed. So there's the front, spine, back, if you want to read details and special features. Two discs. Disc 1, DVD. Disc 2, Blu-ray. So yeah, movie collectors, that was my quick unboxing of Migration on Blu-ray. So if you like this video, please comment and subscribe. Certainly in the comment section below. Let me know what's your favorite Illumination film of all time. Your favorite kids movie. Thank you.